What if a single color could transform your entire space, calm your mind, and tell a powerful story? Imagine walls filled with soothing tones, deep emotions, and elegant designs, all created through the beauty of blue. Today on Hope Tube, we explore the magic of blue art prints, where creativity, emotion, and style come together to elevate any space. Blue is more than just a color. It is a feeling, a mood, and a powerful visual language that has inspired artists for generations. In the world of wall decor, blue art prints stand out for their calming presence and timeless elegance. Whether used in modern interiors or classic spaces, blue has the ability to create harmony while still making a strong artistic statement. When you look at a piece of blue artwork, the first thing you often notice is the sense of calm it brings. Light shades of blue can remind us of open skies and peaceful mornings, while deeper tones reflect the mystery of the ocean and the depth of emotion. This versatility makes blue one of the most popular choices for wall art. Creating blue art prints begins with understanding the different shades and tones within the color. From soft pastel blues to rich navy hues, each variation carries its own personality. By combining these shades thoughtfully, artists can create depth and contrast within a single piece. This layering of tones is what gives blue artwork its dynamic and engaging quality. One of the most appealing aspects of blue art prints is their simplicity. Even a minimal design using just a few shades of blue can look sophisticated and modern. Clean lines, gentle gradients, and subtle textures can turn a simple concept into a stunning visual piece. This makes blue art prints perfect for beginners who want to explore creativity without feeling overwhelmed. Texture plays a crucial role in enhancing blue artwork. By adding layers, brushstrokes, or mixed materials, artists can create a sense of movement and depth. For example, a textured background combined with smooth foreground elements can create contrast that draws the viewer's attention. Light interacts with these textures, making the artwork appear different depending on the angle and lighting. Another important element is composition. A well-balanced composition ensures that the artwork feels complete and visually pleasing. In blue art prints, this often involves arranging shapes, patterns, or gradients in a way that guides the viewer's eyes across the piece. Whether the design is abstract or inspired by nature, composition helps bring all elements together. Blue art prints are incredibly versatile and can fit into a wide range of interior styles. In modern spaces, minimalist blue designs with clean lines create a sleek and elegant look. In more traditional settings, detailed patterns and layered tones can add richness and character. This adaptability makes blue artwork a popular choice for many homes. Nature is a common inspiration for blue art prints. Oceans, skis, and water reflections all provide endless ideas for creative designs. Even abstract interpretations of these elements can evoke the same sense of calm and beauty. By observing nature, artists can find inspiration for shapes, colors, and textures that translate beautifully into artwork. One of the advantages of creating blue art prints is the accessibility of materials. Acrylic paints, watercolor, or digital tools can all be used to achieve stunning results. Beginners can start with simple techniques such as blending and layering, while more experienced artists can experiment with advanced methods to create unique effects. Layering is a key technique in blue artwork. By applying multiple layers of color, artists can build depth and richness. Each layer adds complexity to the piece, creating a more dynamic and engaging result. Because many painting mediums dry quickly, this process can be done efficiently. Blending is another essential technique. Smooth transitions between shades of blue create a soft and harmonious look. This is particularly important in backgrounds, where gradients can add a sense of space and atmosphere. With practice, blending becomes easier and allows for more refined results. Mistakes are part of the creative process, and blue art prints offer flexibility in correcting them. Because many mediums allow for layering, artists can adjust and refine their work as they go. This encourages experimentation and helps build confidence. Blue art prints are not only enjoyable to create, but also highly desirable as decor. They can serve as focal points in a room or complement existing design elements. A large blue artwork can transform a blank wall, while smaller pieces can be arranged together to create a gallery-style display. For those interested in selling their artwork, blue art prints offer strong market potential. Their universal appeal makes them attractive to a wide audience. Customers often look for art that is both visually pleasing and emotionally calming, and blue artwork meets both of these needs. Presentation is crucial when showcasing art prints. High-quality images that capture the true colors and details of the artwork can make a significant difference. Proper lighting helps highlight textures and gradients, making the piece more appealing to viewers. Pricing should reflect the effort, creativity, and materials involved. Even simple designs hold value because they are unique and handmade. Offering different sizes or customization options can attract a wider range of customers. Marketing plays an important role in reaching an audience. Sharing your creative process, inspiration, and finished pieces on social media can help build interest. People are often drawn to the story behind the artwork as much as the artwork itself. Consistency in style helps build a recognizable brand. Whether you focus on abstract designs, nature-inspired pieces, or minimalist prints, having a clear style makes your work more memorable. Over time, this can lead to a loyal audience and repeat customers. Blue art prints also provide an opportunity for personal expression. Each piece reflects the artist's mood, creativity, and perspective. This personal connection makes the artwork more meaningful and unique. At HopeTube, we believe that art should be accessible to everyone. Blue art prints are a perfect example of how simple ideas can be transformed into beautiful creations. With basic techniques and a bit of creativity, anyone can create artwork that enhances their space. If you are just starting, begin with simple designs and gradually explore more complex ideas. Practice blending, layering, and composition, and don't be afraid to experiment. Over time, you will develop your own style and confidence. Art is not about perfection, it is about expression. Each piece you create is a step forward in your creative journey. Embrace the process, learn from each experience, and enjoy the act of creating. Thank you for watching HopeTube. If you found inspiration in blue art prints and want to explore more creative ideas, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to HopeTube for more art tutorials, design inspiration, and DIY wall decor ideas. Start creating your own blue masterpiece today and transform your space with the power of color.